Oh, this is a good one. You want to piss off some gym bros? Let's see here. So, this person is using gym equipment, and it's from people who they can clearly tell are there, but they left. So I had a situation today that left me confused. Saw the pec fly machine open. Nobody was using it. Went over to start my set. Noticed someone's phone and keys next to the machine. Person wasn't there in sight. I figured, blah, blah, blah. A minute later, he comes back and says, "Bro, I'm on this." So I'm wondering, is it bad etiquette on my part? No, not at all. And here's the thing. I personally am somebody who tries to bounce around different machines at the gym. I usually don't stay on fitness equipment for a long period of time. And because of that, sometimes I'm cycling between 2 to 3 pieces of equipment. And when that happens, sometimes people just take it. And it's not because they're bad people, it's because I'm not there. And, if I am there, it is probably something I should be doing. I will say what I have done before, though, is I've supersetted different exercises. So sometimes I'll be on a machine and then I'll bring some dumbbells. So then once I finish the machine exercise, I'll do a dumbbell exercise as a superset. Not rest at all, just go right into it. And I have had people scoff at me for doing that. And in my opinion, I don't think this is necessarily the best approach, or I don't think it's really fair for them to be doing that, because most of the time people just sit on equipment, scroll on their phone, and they don't do anything. So I'm at least taking the time to do a superset right next to it, and then I usually hop on right back onto it. So instead of resting, I'm actually doing another exercise instead of doing it. And that's not something you can explicitly say to people and explain to them, but it is something if you're thinking about doing it for yourself. But this person left. Maybe they were using the restroom, and in that case, it'd probably be good to let him. But the way he described this, or she described this, said, "Bro, I'm on this," like, that's telling me that this person went and, maybe did another machine, another exercise, or just went and, like, I don't know, just texted in the corner by themselves. And in that case, you shouldn't feel bad about it at all. I mean, this this happens all the time. People want the luxury of having their own gym when they're in public, and that's just not the case. So don't feel bad about this.